Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, last week's Wall Street sell-off looks like it will resume this week. We get a dairy auction again this week on Wednesday morning after another RBA review tomorrow. We also get rate reviews in Canada, India and Brazil this week. Then the US and China will be releasing inflation and foreign trade data. Other important data to follow includes US consumer confidence, UK October GDP data, German investor sentiment and factory orders, Japanese current account and producer prices, and Indian industrial output. Most of this recent data is expected to be reasonably positive, but investors are focused on what is coming and see inflation and central banks winding up to hike rates sooner than previously assumed and reduce QE imminently. Over the weekend, the rise in US non-farm payrolls for November was a sharp disappointment, with the headline number rising just 210,000 when a rise of 550,000 was expected. It is the lowest monthly rise of 2021. However, average weekly hours worked rose. Their participation rate rose. Average weekly earnings in November were up 5.6% from a year ago, and that is above the 2021 average. None of this data really supports the weak payroll number reported. In Canada, their November payroll data beat expectations and by some margin. Even if you discount that half the big gain was for part-time jobs, the full-time job rise was double the overall expected increase. In China, Evergrande said it has unresolved liquidity issues. Local government authorities have descended on the company to see if they can save it. Kaiser has teetering too, and Sunshine 100 China Holdings defaulted on a $179 million debt and interest payment yesterday, citing liquidity issues. The collateral damage is starting to spread. And in Indonesia, we should note that a Javan volcano has erupted, causing widespread damage and casualties. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.36% and unchanged from this time on Saturday and a 72-day low. And the price of gold will start today at $1,783 an ounce, and very little change in a week. And oil prices are still languishing at just over $66 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is back down $1 to $69.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today softer yet again at 67.4 US cents and a 3/4 cent fall from this time on Friday. Against the Australian dollar, however, we're unchanged at 96.4 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're also unchanged at 59.7 euro cents. And that means that our trade-weight index starts the week at 72.3 and a 100-day low. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.